Do you hear that? Drip, drip, dripping. It's raining outside. Actually, it's kind of pouring. You can hear it. And I'm hearing drip, drip, dropping. It's not supposed to be super wet. Let's go up and see what's happening. Because this roof is all tarped up and I believe partially shingled. However, let's see if anything here is getting wet. Got the insulation that arrived yesterday and was rolled up the stairs. Okay. I'm hearing drip drops and tip taps, but I'm not seeing anything super wet at the moment. Oh, there's a little bit on the floor here. And over here. As it gets, more and more rainy out there. I guess, oh, there's plenty over this way. This is where I'm hearing them, downstairs in the basement there. So, also, so this room is just above the basement bathroom. I mean the bathroom that's it's no longer a light there, it looks like. Okay, this is super wet. Super duper wet. Yeah. Right. Oh yeah, right through that vent, see? Hey, we're gonna have to figure out a way to get that closed up, I think. Alright. Off to work. Oh my gosh, it's so wet that the ducks came out for a little splash in a puddle. Now I have to go walk by them and hopefully they stay close by. But I just need to get over to the other side of the house and see what's happening on the roof. Yay, hey quackers. Brought a bucket? Need a bag. Down we go again.
I love that rainy day mood.
Alright, so we got the bag over there on the stack, and so it looks like it is still raining. You can hear it. It has slowed down a little bit, but there's no water pouring into here right now. I sure hope I did a good job.